Hello everyone, I wanted to show you the answers and give you an explanation for the week number 4 daily language review worksheet. So here it is. I'll also take a picture of it when I'm done, and I will post that in the Google Classroom as well as this video. So first I want to start off by saying that nothing on this page had any issues or problems with capitalization or with punctuation. Okay, so this week's sheet focused more on misspellings of words. It also had to do with homophones, which I will explain shortly. And then some of it also had to do with, I think, the correct tense of a verb. So you'll see. So for the top part, questions number 1 and 2, it says write the sentences correctly. Number 1 said, I was walk over the street when I heard a funny noise. So it should be, I was walking over the street, right? So it's actually called the present progressive tense. Maybe you've heard that in Spanish class, but it means it's ongoing, it's happening right then. And then it should be, when I heard a funny noise. It's not heard, right? That's not a word, it's heard. Number 2 says, I couldn't see where the noise was coming from, so I peeked to the fence. Okay, this is the incorrect form of the word see and the incorrect form of the word where. So this is what is called a homophone. So it's 2 or more words that sound exactly the same. They're pronounced the same way, but they're spelled differently. And then sometimes they also have different meanings. So this sea, S-E-A, is like the ocean, a body of water, but that's not the one we're looking for. This wear, W-E-A-R, is like wearing clothes, not like a location, which is what we need. So I couldn't see where, the correct see and where, the noise was coming from, so I peeked over the fence. The original sentence said I peeked to the fence. That's just not correct grammar. Okay, number 3 says write the missing word. So like I've done on the other sheets, you're going to need to read it in your head or out loud and plug in each one of these words on the blank line to see which one makes the most sense. So, creeping along a fence rail was a mother possum. Sounds like it could be right, but let's check the rest of the possibilities just to make sure. Creeping with a fence rail was a mother possum. I don't think it's that one. Creeping since a fence rail was a mother possum. No. Creeping until a fence rail was a mother possum. I'm going to say it's definitely the word along and not the others. The last question on the top part of the page is, combine the sentences to make one sentence. If you remember from last week, this really tripped me up, so I did much better this time around. So the 3 sentences they gave us were, she had a baby possum, she had baby possums, they were hiding in her fur, and she was talking to them. So to change it into one sentence, this is what I did. She had baby possums that were hiding in her fur, and she was talking to them. Hope that clears up any questions you may have had or helps you understand this better.